The error code F5 E5 indicates that the oven failed to reach the required temperature during self-cleaning, and this issue can be caused by a faulty door latch or a defective thermal fuse. To fix this problem, start by checking the door latch. Open the oven door and inspect the oven frame above the gasket to see if the door latch arm is bent. If it is, put the latch arm in the correct position to enable the door to latch properly. And then close the door to see if the issue is resolved. If this doesn't work, the next step is to replace the thermal fuse. Begin by turning off the unit and unplugging the power cord. Then insert door removal pins, or nails, into the hinges. Close the door to jam the hinges, and tilt them upwards to lift and remove the door. Remove the screws holding the side trims. Unthread the screws securing the oven to the wall, and place the oven on a makeshift stand to access the back. Remove the 11 screws holding the back cover, and locate the thermal fuse outside the insulation envelope. If a multimeter is available, test the fuse for continuity. Otherwise, disconnect the old fuse and install a new one. Once the new fuse is installed, reassemble the oven, turn it on, and monitor the unit for a minute to see if the issue is resolved.